Now, Amazon Associates is a really great way to make a little bit of extra money that you could take with you to the strip club. But beware, there are a few ways to end up getting your account disabled or even banned from the entire program, about 10 of them, and we're going to go over them one by one throughout this video, so stay tuned. And if this video ends up being of any help to you, please remember to like and subscribe. It does the channel a huge service. Your boy Chuckavelli really needs it. Let's move on. And if I missed anything, or if you have questions on anything that I said, please comment them down below. I'd be happy to answer all of them. Now, number one, this is one of the most important, but also one of the most well-known and most common things you need to know to keep yourself from getting kicked out of the program, which is once you get accepted, you have 180 days to make at least 3 sales. Meaning that if after 180 days goes by, if 3 sales wasn't made using your links, then you will be booted from the program. Now, check this out. It ain't that big of a deal, because you can always come back. You can always reapply. You can always keep applying. It's not a big deal. Amazon does not limit the amount of times that you can apply. So please don't stress yourself out. When you know that you have a good platform, when you know that you have a good page to start posting links on that'll get sales, then start then. If you don't and you want to try it out, okay, you can start then too, but it's not a big deal if you get kicked out. You can always reapply. They're very accepting. Number 2, and this is something that a lot of people don't do, and I won't lie, even I sometimes, your boy Chuckavelli, doesn't do this, but I have gotten wise to the game, and now that things are getting a little bigger, I'm going to have to start doing this, which is making sure there's a disclosure that you earn money from these Amazon affiliate links. You got to put it somewhere. If it's in your YouTube channel, you got to put it in the description. If it's on your blog post, you got to put it on the site. It's really that simple. If you don't do this, Amazon can find out and then terminate your account immediately. And it doesn't cost nothing. All you got to do is put something like this right here, and you'll be good. Number 3, you cannot incentivize people to click your links or they will ban you. So you can't tell people, hey, if you click this link, you could really help me afford this jacuzzi. No, you can't do that. That is incentivizing and you will get banned. It doesn't matter if you have cancer. It doesn't matter if you have domestic violence issue. You can't even say, hey, you'll get an extra month membership if you buy using my links. You can't say, hey, here's a unique emoji if you buy using my links with Amazon. Like, you can't do any of that. No perks, no incentives for using your links. It's not allowed. Listen, just leave the link, leave the disclosure, and then move on with your day. Number 4, do not buy stuff using your own links, and do not send your links to your friends and family for them to use to buy stuff so that you can get more money. That's not gonna work. Amazon has a really great way, really great algorithm to find exactly who's buying what. Once they start putting 2 and 2 together and coming up with 4, then it will be time for you to get out of the program because they're banning you. And this actually goes back to number 1. So if you're feeling like, oh, you're not gonna make the 3 sales within 180 days, so I'm gonna give it to my brother or my sister or my friend or my uncle or whoever, and they find out, hey, those commissions are not gonna count. People have tried, I even tried, not gonna work out. Leave it alone. If you didn't earn them, you didn't earn them. Keep it pushing. But if you do it by accident a couple times, it's not the biggest deal. Amazon might let you rock, but if you do a little bit more than you're supposed to, they gonna be on that ass. Number 5, you can't cloak your links. So if you're like, oh, this Amazon link isn't very pretty, it's too jumbled up, numbers, words, letters, whatever, and you want to kind of make it nice and sweet, so it's like Amazon.beautyproduct instead of Amazon.random generation here, well, you are going to be banned. You cannot do that. You have to leave it as is, the way Amazon set it up for you. You start cloaking your links and making them things that they're not supposed to be, you can also get banned or your account terminated, and then you'll have to start over the process, which is not going to be fun. Number 6, you cannot promote your links offline or in places that Amazon can't track, meaning that you cannot put it in a book, right? That Amazon can't track that. They find out that you did that, which would be incredible if they did, but if they find out that you put it in a book, they can terminate your account. You can't put it in messages, right? So you can't text someone over your link or start texting a lot of people your links and expect to get commissions that way. That is also frowned upon, and you will get banned again. You can't send the links in emails. You can't send the links in PDFs. You can't put the links in ebooks. You can't put the links on posters, flyers, private groups. You can't put the links anywhere. Your links have to be public, people, right there on a public page for Amazon to see and track. So again, your YouTube channel, your Instagram, your blog site, that works perfectly. But private, where Amazon can't see it and can't get to it, they don't like that. They gotta track it, so be careful. Now, what you can do to bypass this is market the place where you would put your Amazon affiliate links for people to buy. So for example, if you want to make a flyer telling people to come over to your website, and on that website you have all your affiliate links, then that's perfectly fine. But you cannot put the actual link on the flyer. I hope you get me. Number 7, don't share the price of the product on your links. So this is more of a blog situation. You know, a lot of social media people watching this won't have to worry, but bloggers, if you're putting your Amazon affiliate links there and you want to add the price, then you would have to update the price every 24 hours, which is a big waste of your time. There are ways to automate this though. You can use Lasso. That's something that you can integrate into your site so that you'd be able to list the price along with the affiliate link, and as Amazon updates it, Lasso grabs that information and then repopulates that information every 24 hours, so you'd be in good standing. Or you could use Amazon's official API so that you can also integrate that into your website, so that again the price will be automatically updated every 24 hours. But if you're not going to do that, you cannot be putting the price on your Amazon affiliate link. And the reason why you have to do this is because Amazon product prices change pretty often, pretty frequently, and pretty randomly. And that's why Amazon doesn't like when people are putting their prices in, because the price today may not be the price tomorrow. So you are really going to need those APIs or Lasso to make sure that everything runs smoothly. Number 8, you cannot have multiple accounts. So you can't make one Amazon Associates account for Instagram and one Amazon Associates account for YouTube and one Amazon Associates account for your mother. You can't do that. Amazon already has a built-in way for you to manage and track different pages and different platforms for where you'll be putting your links. So all you have to do is go over here, and I'll show you right now to do all that, and then you'll be in good stand. Okay, and boom, here you are. Let's say you have multiple social media pages and blog sites that you want to manage where each sale is coming from. All you would have to do, go to your account settings right here. Then you're going to go to manage your tracking IDs. Now here I have 2 tracking IDs, but let's say you wanted to add a tracking ID and say Chuckavelli Instagram, right? Let's say this is my Instagram tracking ID, right? You would just create that. Okay, great. Now I have my little tracking ID. Then when you go to Amazon, now when you do choose a product, right? So let's use this TV. When you do choose a product to recommend, you're going to come to here, you're going to click text, right? And your store ID, this is the all-encompassing ID for your whole account. But then the tracking ID, which is going to designate which platform this is usually going to get used on, so that you know where you're getting your traffic, where you're getting your commissions from. That's where you're going to choose. So right now, this is the default one. There's a Chuckavelli Financial one, which is for my YouTube, and then this one is for my Instagram. So then you would click get link, and then boom, now I have my Chuckavelli Instagram link that I can choose from, and then go over to my Instagram and then plug it in over there, and that's how you would use multiple different IDs to track multiple different pages. Number 9, and this is kind of in conjunction with number 8, make sure you tell Amazon everywhere you're listing your links. If you told Amazon that you'll be listing your links on YouTube, but then you also start listing your links on your Instagram and your Twitter, that's going to be a problem. You gotta let Amazon know about the Instagram and the Twitter pages. And in order to do that, all you have to do is go to your account settings yet again, and then you would go to edit your website, mobile app, and Alexa skill list right here. And then boom, right here is where you're going to add another place where you'll be putting your links. You just take your Instagram and it's going to plop that right there. And you're going to want to do this for everywhere you're going to be planning to put your affiliate links. And number 10, do not use Amazon's reviews of the products that you're recommending to people in order to persuade them to buy the product. That is Amazon's proprietary information, knowledge, and ownership, and you cannot use it to persuade people to buy your product. If you put a link to a great set of scissors on your Amazon and then you want to import all the reviews for that set of scissors onto your website, that's a big no-no. Again, all you can do, put that link, put your disclosure, and keep it pushing. Now, those are the most common ways that people end up getting in trouble with Amazon or even banned. Now, if you haven't made an Amazon Associates account and you really want to get into affiliate marketing with Amazon, you can always check out this video right here to do that. But hey, as always, I appreciate you watching the video. If this was of any service to you, please remember to like and subscribe down below. Your man Chuckavelli was in, and now he's out. Peace.